Hi guys, today I'm not bringing you anything new, but Pat McGrath recently restocked these Celestial Nirvana mini eyeshadow palettes, and they are probably my favorite formula from Pat McGrath. So I decided to do some swatches for you today and maybe help you decide if you were considering buying one of them or both of them, whether you would want the Nude Allure or the Bronze Bliss, or whether you may be considering buying both of them. Just excuse my nails. I did do some hair coloring over the weekend, so they are a bit stained and I haven't had a chance to fix that. But let's jump into the swatches and I hope you enjoy the video. I did try to clean off this palette a bit because it's not a new palette. I have used it before, but the more I tried to clean it, the more I smudged it. So let's just go in with it as it is now. I am going to do the brown color. This is Mahogany Angel, the matte brown color. And it's a very dark brown color. Got a bit of a plummy effect to it, and it blends out very nicely into a lovely transition shade. Okay, then the shimmery shades is Mercurial Rose, Coral Kiss, Plum Eclipse, and Naked Bronze. So the first one is a nice inner corner highlight and brow bone color. It's got a bit of a pinky shift to it. And then the other three are just beautiful glittery lid shades. And there you go. Just toast a bit so you can see in the light. It's got these very beautiful mini glittery flecks in there, and they're really nice for traveling, and it has a bit of a variety of shades in there, so if you just want something, a quick grab and go with a few different looks, then this is really a stunning palette for that. Okay, and then this one is Bronze Bliss. I'm first going to go in with this black shade, La Vie in Noir. Going to be upside down swatches. And this one is nice for more of a smoky kind of look. And then we have Nude Moon, Lunar Luxury, Bronzed Mink, and Bronze Illusion at the end. So there's your inner corner highlight or brow bone color, and then your three lid colors. You can see how stunning that is. So I just wanted to change the angle a bit for this one. There's your swatches. It's really beautiful. And then for this one, this is the Nude Allure. There's your swatches. So if you are considering buying these, I hope this helps you decide. I did do a video with tutorials on these, kind of a first impressions type of thing. I will put a link in the description box for that, and I will see if I can tag it here somewhere on the screen. And then I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Let me know in the comments if you are considering buying these and whether this helped you make your decision for that. Until next time, bye.